In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the front grille on this Toyota Prius. Let's get into it. Remove this shield. Use a 10mm socket. There's bolts on the front. Take those out. Back here, there should be 4 screws. You want to take those out using a 10mm socket. Take those out. Same on the other. Then grab this panel and just slide it back. There's a push pin right here. You can pop the center down. Just use a trim tool, pop that out. Using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these screws out. Grab this panel, and just make sure that it separates. It's good right there. And do the same on the other side. Using a 10mm socket, take all these bolts out. It's going to be holding this front spoiler on as well. Slide that off. Using a 10mm socket, take these bolts out. So just grab these shields and just slide them down out of the way. They can hang like that. With a trim tool, I'm just going to get under here, just push up. And we're just trying to push the grill back. It's clipped in right there. You can see where it gets clipped in. You could also use a pick or a screwdriver. And then the bottom, kind of reach in and just grab. You can slide it out. There's clipped in right there, so if you grab this from underneath and then just pull the whole grill, it'll slide right back. Take the new grill, slide it in underneath. Get everything lined up. And it's all lined up. Push that in so it snaps in place, and push the bottom in, snap that in place. And that looks good. Now slide these covers in position. Line those up. Slide this in position. That lined up. And where the retainers are up there, you want to put the bolts in. Take these bolts, line these up. Get those started, and then tighten those down. Slide this piece in place. Get the bolts started. sure you just get them all started before you tighten them down. And tighten those down. I'll line this up. Take a push pin, line that up, push that in, take the screws, get those started, and snug those down. And you can do the same on the other side. I'll slide this underneath. And take the screws, go back here. I'm gonna get those started. Snug those down. Put the other ones in. Ours are broken on this vehicle. And it screws up front. Get those started, there should be one there. All right, snug all those down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.